Crackers. Graham crackers. You have the graham crackers.
We'll be Kaiser.
No, you can be the
No! You're a judge! You
Sun Gold.
Team Kaite?
Yeah.
Team Kaite.
It looks like your mom!
Yeah, you're losing. Like
Lucy!
Alright, what's going on right now?
We made a circle of cookie dough.
Okay, what kind of toppings you thinking? Any sort of design or anything?
Alright.
Not bananas.
Your opponents have moved their cookie dough to the kitchen. What will you do?
How do you feel about the delayed time of your cookie baking?
It was a forceful removal. It was 3 versus 1. I was here first, so obviously one team is willing to sacrifice their morals in order to win. So,
Do you feel like the judges are going to take this into account in their final ruling?
I think that they should take into account that one team assaulted the other in order to get ahead of time. Yes, I think they should take that into account.
No, do not film me.
Pretty good. What's your nickname?
The fish.
It's fine.
Skedaddle.
We got two different themes going on. We got a fruity theme over here. Lots of blueberries, lots of strawberries so far. Some purple frosting, whether that's dye or. And then we have what looks like more of a hearty American. I agree.
As we're coming down to short time, how do you guys think you're gonna do in this competition?
I think we rocked
it. I think we rocked it. As we're coming down to the final seconds here, what are you guys thinking? How do you think you're gonna do?
I'm confident. As long as it tastes good, I'm good. Yeah.
Think you're gonna win?
Yeah.
Oh, time's up! Don't touch him! Hey, hands up!
Judges, here's our beautiful presentation. We call this a pure love of Christ. We want to represent being disciples of Christ versus being circles. And
Just like the fruit of life or whatever it is.
here's the tree of life. Now, we obviously also have to follow the word of wisdom by putting on lots of fruits as well as vegetables. And as well as frosting and because it's important.
God wants us to take care of our bodies. Everything in moderation. And
Everything
you
in
can be
moderation,
vegetables
yes.
if you put your mind to it.
Well, we don't even have slaves.
Or forks.
Act like I haven't seen this.
Make sure you get like.
Okay, so as you can see, our pizza, we have named it the pie. We have named it the pie, based off of its circular origins. So, I assume the judges know all about the.
Yeah, no, I'm not a math whiz, man. I'm just caring about the taste.
Okay, well,
Wait,
this
okay.
is the pie.
So in
And for
our
the ingredients-
pie, we have a base of sugar cookie, and then it comes with a cream cheese frosting, and then we have graham crackers on the outside, then strawberries, and then cinnamon sugar.
Okay, first impressions on the pie. I worried about the cinnamon a little bit, but it actually worked for me. Tastes pretty good.
Okay.
What about with the strawberry?
You know, I can't really taste the strawberry with the cinnamon's
Overpowering
cinnamon's pretty, you know, it's pretty powerful.
Okay, okay. What about you, Killer Kasia? What do you think?
But I do like the softness. I like that it has crisp and soft.
Okay.
And that goes.
Dynamic texture.
So it does have a hard bottom. It's a little undercooked in the middle, but I actually like that a lot. I like the doughier with the cinnamon. And I don't know about you, I can really taste the strawberry and the graham cracker together.
How do you like it? Is it goes
I
well?
actually
Good.
like it. And it was very nice looking.
Okay. What about your initial thoughts? Give them to me, bro.
Well, I will say, my first bite was nothing short of fantastic. But second bite, got over to the strawberries, and I'm not really a fan.
Oh.
I'll say.
Is that because you just don't like strawberries?
Yeah, it is.
Judges, first impressions of the dessert pizza from what team?
The Kayate!
I like all the fruit personally, and it held together. Look at that. It's still in a...
It's not floppy.
It's not overly cooked. It's pretty solid.
All right. What about you, Killer Keisha?
It tastes good. It actually does taste very good. It's fruity. I like fruity. So, fruit-wise, it's actually very flavorful. I like it. What about that frosting?
All right, JS. Give us your thoughts.
Now, of course, I've judged a lot of different dishes in my days. Not much a fruit guy. I like my meats and stuff, but obviously this is a dessert competition. I will say, I do like this. I could eat this whole thing. I could down it good 15 minutes,
How was the kiwi?
Kiwi?
Was it out of place?
Out of place, yeah, definitely.
Taste all the fruits.
Ooh.
I like to give my compliments first.
So overall, we looked at 3 things.
3 categories.
The first category was design. The second category was creativity.
Yes.
And the final category was taste.
We gave them a 7 and them a 9.
Then we went to creativity, right? And I get that, a pizza, round, right? But that's every pizza. And so, there was a little bit of a heart, the heart, the symbolism, all of that blended together well for us. And we gave, for creativity, a
Kayate was a 10, and graham cracker was a 7.
7.
Score for taste, we gave them
The pure love of Christ.
The pure love of Christ.
that was
Better live up to his
a
name.
9, and the pie had given 8.
Stop filming in hell!